I don't know if you can hear that sound or not. Wow, I don't know what that was. It's the wind outside. It's really windy. Today, the wind is like incredible. It's supposed to be 60 miles an hour gusts out there, maybe even get up to 80 miles an hour. The gusts. Unbelievable. I have to go pick up a new computer today. It's already at the store. I wanted to do it last night, but I didn't get the notification until it was too late. I didn't really have enough time to get over there. And now the store's open, but I don't know if I want to really go over there in this wind, but I guess I'll try because there's no electricity in my house. So it's kind of like, I went to walk one across the street to try to get my hair cut. There's no electricity there. But apparently there is at the store where I'm trying to pick this thing up. So maybe I'll go ahead and go. But so much against my better judgment. I was out earlier to get a cup of coffee, and I went by this area, and on my way back there was a tree falling down. So yeah, it's not looking good out there. I'm telling you what, it is windy out here today. Very windy. Gusts up to 70 miles an hour. It's supposed to get up maybe to 80 miles an hour. Pretty incredible. It's dark. It's still windy. There's no electricity out. The only real source of power I have is my car and the lighter socket in it to charge my cell phone, which I'm filming this on. I did buy this very fashionable headlight, as I can see. It just kind of goes to show what the world is like without electricity that we depend on. And even then, I guess I have this little portable battery-operated cell phone that does everything. Well, it's not really a cell phone, it's a smartphone, isn't it? It's an iPhone. Alright, I'm gonna get some coffee, with any luck. And take this ridiculous headlight off because I'm in my car now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.